Do you have arthritic pain? I used to be a baton twirler, and when you throw the baton up, it would whack down into your hands, or there was the marching or the leaping or the lunging, and my joints sure got a good workout, and it turned to pain in later years. But I have no pain at all since I have eliminated refined sugar. So today we're going to quote from Lick the Sugar Habit by Nancy Appleton, PhD. She says, "When I was a child, a bakery truck used to come regularly to the back door of our house. If my mother wasn't around, I could buy anything I wanted and charge it. I would buy 6 donuts, 4 nut bars, and a couple of coffee cakes, hide them from the rest of the family, and eat them in private." Does it ever sound familiar to anyone? "In 2 days, all of the goodies would be gone." Although I didn't realize that I was a sugarholic and a chocoholic. In my early childhood, I was plagued with bothersome allergies, my nose ran continually, and so did my eyes. I was constantly sticking fingers in my ears to try to stop the itching, rubbing my fingers over my throat, or even scratching the back of my throat with my tongue for the same reason. I remember doing that too, for the itching at the back of the throat. My adult life was plagued with boils, cankers, canker sores, varicose veins, headaches, constipation, fatigue, colds, flus, and bouts with pneumonia. Each time I became sick with pneumonia, recovery took longer. My immune system was getting weakened continually by my dietary habits and my lifestyle. After my last bout with pneumonia, my cough lasted for 6 months. Every specialist I consulted diagnosed my problem as chronic bronchitis. "Take antibiotics 10 days out of the month for the rest of your life," I was told over and over, but not one doctor ever said, "What do you eat?" I was 40 years old before I realized how little I knew about nutrition, sugar, allergies, or health. It is important to be aware of the sugar-laden world around you. According to statistics, the average person eats over 10 pounds of sugar each month. Now, I don't eat any sugar. Your body needs only 2 teaspoons of blood sugar at any time in order to function properly. This amount can be obtained easily through the digestion of raw fruits and vegetables, protein and fats. Every extra teaspoon of refined sugar you eat works to throw your body out of balance and can cause food allergies, endocrine problems, hypoglycemia, diabetes, tooth decay, osteoporosis, arthritis, cancer, and many other degenerative diseases. When you realize that you have created your own ill health, you can also discover the good news, that through some simple lifestyle changes, you can be responsible for bringing yourself back to good health. So our snack today then. Instead of eating products with refined sugar, how about going God's way with fruit? You know, I've told you always to keep that bowl of fresh fruit on the counter for a snack. Well, dried fruits can also be powerhouses, like the dates we've been eating. Or, how about raisins? You should read the superfoods section of my website about their great benefits. It's under the info menu under frequently asked questions. A lot of superfood information there. For example, raisins provide relief from constipation, acidosis, anemia, fever, and sexual dysfunction, as well as having a positive impact on eye health, dental care, and bone quality. They are a dense source of minerals such as calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, copper, potassium, and zinc, as well as a good source of the B-complex vitamins, which give you energy. So why not just grab a handful for a sweet and filling snack? And I love to throw them in my salads too. Enjoy.